HPLC. Chromatography. Stationary phase may be solid absorbance or liquid partitions. Mobile phase may be gas or liquid. HPLC. High performance liquid chromatography. HPLC principle. It is a technique by which a mixture sample is separated into components for identification, qualification, quantification, and verification of the mixture. Instrument. The basic requirement in HPLC system: solvent, pump, in HPLC column, injector, detector, waste, and data. The heart of the HPLC system is the column. The column contains the particle that contain the stationary phase. The mobile phase is pumped through the column by pump. Solvents must be degassed to eliminate formation of bubble. Role of the pump. The role of the pumps to force a liquid mobile phase through the liquid chromatograph at the specific flow rate. A pump can deliver a constant mobile phase composition isochromatic which the mobile phase composition remain unchanged during the analysis, or a gradient with the pump mobile phase change during the analysis. Role of the injector. The injector serves to introduce the liquid sample into the flow stream of the mobile phase. May be auto sampler or manual. There are widely variety of the stationary phase available for HPLC. Normal phase, polar stationary phase, and non-polar solvent. Example: silica gel. Reverse phase, non-polar stationary phase and a polar solvent. Silica gel C18. Ion exchange, stationary phase contain ion group and the mobile phase is an aqueous buffer. The other is size exclusion. There is no interaction between the sample compound and the column. Large molecular elute first, smaller molecular elute later. This is a chromatograph. These are called chromatographic peak, and each one span a separate compound. For example, compound A, compound B, compound C. After the injection, point of the sample injection into the column. Start with 0 and stop time 15 minutes. Parameter of HPLC. First, qualitative analysis. The most common parameter for compound is retention time. The time it takes for the specific compound to the elute from the column of injection. Injection point time 0. Retention time compound A. Retention time compound B. Capacity factor K is the measure from the position of the sample peak in the chromatogram. Selective factor. Also called as separation of cells. Selectivity coefficient is defined as quantity analysis, the measurement of the amount compound in the sample, concentration, determination of the peak height, determination of the peak areas, peak height of the compound A. Resolution of a resolution is of a column provided quantitative measure of its ability to separate two analysts two sample like that. Theoretical plate. The number of theoretical plate characterization of the efficiency of the column. Thank you very much.